Hello and welcome students. In this video you are going to get all the answers of chapter 2. So let's start with the first fill in the blanks. Muslim believed the God that revealed the Quran through angel Gabriel. Second, Kaaba was under the control of the Quraysh tribe. Number third, the migration of Muhammad to Medina known as the Hijrah. Number four, the fourth caliph was the first caliph was the Abu Bakr. Last, the days is a collection of the Arabian Nights. Now match the following. Ancient square temple Kaaba. Rubayat written by Omar Khayyam. Pilgrimage to Makkah is known as Hajj. Head of Khilafat is Khalifa. Muslim calendar Hijri. First one, Islam is the second largest religion of the world, true. Second, the Islamic golden age began in the Abbasid Khilafat, true. Number third, the Khilafat was established before the death of Muhammad, false. It was after the death of Muhammad. Number four, the Umayyad established the House of Wisdom in Baghdad, false. It is established by the Abbasids. And number fifth is the Arabic numeral 120 is the international system of numeral, false. Indo-Arabic numbers. Now number D, choose the correct answer. Muhammad was born in the Arabian city of Makkah. Second, the Muslim calendar is called Hijri. Number third, the offering of namaz of 5 times in a day is called Salat. Number fourth, Muslim adopted improved upon the Chinese techniques of the paper making. Number five, the Abbasid dynasty shifted the capital to Baghdad. Now move to the E number answer. What was Kaaba? In Makkah there was an ancient square shrine called Kaaba. Second number answer is this. When and how was God's message revealed to the Prophet Muhammad? Once while meditating in cave Hira in 610 AD, Muhammad had a vision of angel Gabriel who gave him the message of God. Number 3 question. Why did Muhammad and his followers flee to Medina? This is the answer. Kaaba was an ancient Arabian shrine where so many idols of the gods and goddesses are kept, and Islam, as it is believed only in one God. Muhammad wanted the Kaaba be dedicated to the worship of only one God and remove all the idols from there. These ideas were rejected by the Quraysh tribe. Beside, the wealthy Arab merchants also feared that huge losses due to the reduced number of the pilgrims visiting to the Kaaba. After this, the removal of the ideas from the Kaaba. So therefore, they forced the Muhammad and his followers to flee to Medina. Number 4, which dynasty is known this period of the golden age? It is the Abbasids dynasty, because during this period of the Muslims made great progress in the field of the science, mathematics, literature, art, medicine, architecture and other disciplines. This is the answer number 5, the 5 principle or the pillar of Islam. The 6th number answer. How did the Turkish slaves harm the large empire of the Abbasids? These Turkish slaves by the caliphs, they helped the Abbasids to manage their large empire. Many provinces of the empire were administered by the Turkish slaves, officers and soldiers, but as the numbers of the Turkish slaves grew in the Abbasid administration, they became unmanageable. Gradually, the provincial Turkish slave governments became powerful and independent. The underlined markings are the answer of number 7, the impact of Islam. Write only the underlined ones. Page number 19 and page number 20.